Isolated odors are not uncommon. We get the question all the time. I've got this smell coming from just one sink or just one tub. What is it? Biggest fear is that it's sewer gas. And it's possible, but it's not probable. Here's why. Under all plumbing, whether it's an old house like this or a brand new one, you've got what's called the P-trap. What happens as water drains out of the sink or out of the bathtub, a small amount of water stays right in there, and that becomes a barrier to all of that sewer gas. So if you've got a crack in that pipe or a leak, fix it. That's probably all it will be. But more than likely, it's bacteria. Think about it. Washing your hair, shaving, get a lot of organic matter down a sink and down a bathtub drain. This is really notorious here. As you get the clog, bacteria begins to grow. What you need to do is just remove the clog. Easy to do. I've got a little zip tool here. We'll stick that inside. Once you remove the clog, you want to take a little diluted bleach, maybe some hydrogen peroxide, pour it down the drain. Don't forget about the overflow. That's going to kill both the bacteria and the odor.